Hi everyone, so this is the video to do your final research paper presentation through Flipgrid. So I don't know if you have used this in your other classes. It's definitely my first time using it as a classroom resource with students. So we're going to try it out this way. So earlier you made a Google presentation or a PowerPoint on your research topic that explained what your research question was, what you learned through your research, if you were able to answer the question or not, and what lingering questions you still have. So now the next step is to present that information to the class through Flipgrid. So there's really kind of three ways that we can do this. It depends on your technology access at home, so that's one thing. But in Google Classroom, I posted basically three options. So the first option is to add the extension Screencastify to your computer if you have access to do that. So you would just go to extensions, look for Screencastify, add it, and then you can record your voice while you go through your presentation, and it will show you, and you can just record, like you presenting as you would normally flip through the slides, and then you would upload that video through Flipgrid. The second option is to take screenshots of each slide, and then when you start your Flipgrid, if you look at the there's like a picture sticker. If you click that, you can add the picture of the slide. You can talk about that slide and record yourself, then stop, delete that slide, add your new slide, restart the recording, talk about that slide, and then stop it and then delete that slide, add the next one, so on and so forth. So like you can put like in like this corner of the screen, you can put like your slide, and then we can have your face and we can see your slide. So that's one way to do it. And then if you can't figure out how to do those, then the last scenario I would suggest is just you coming on screen like this, like I am here, and you just talking through your research project. So it's not going to be as great because I think a lot of times people need visuals to understand what you're talking about. So like if you have the topic of black holes, you might want a picture of what the event horizon looks like. But if you're just talking about what the event horizon is like I am right now, it might be hard for the audience to fully understand what it is you're talking about without that visual. So that's definitely like the last resort. I mean, it's better to have a presentation where your voice is recorded than to not. So if you can't figure out the technology, at the very least do that. But it would just be nice if we could have some access to your slides and whatnot while we present. And then once everyone does that, the final week of school is I'm going to say, okay, everyone, today we're going to watch these 4 people's Flipgrid, and you're going to post a comment or a response to it. So that's how we're going to end the year, and it'll be nice because we'll see everyone's presentation and research that they've worked really hard on, and hopefully you'll learn some new information about things in the world of physics, which I think would also be nice. And we'll get to see each other's faces, which will be nice too, because this remote learning is kind of a drag, so that's another nice added thing. So, all right, well, hopefully this works out. And if you have any questions, contact me during office hours, email me, whatnot. All right, see you guys later.